So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, today we are going to start with some basics of SwiftUI, like how to add text in your app and how to add modifiers in the app and how to change its background color or etc. and also learn about iOS simulator and the canvas that in that we can see our previews of our app. So without wasting time, let's get started. So, okay, all right, guys, we are going to start our project. So, first of all, you need to open Xcode and hit this create a new Xcode project. Then you need to select in section iOS and the app and the next, and then give your project name. I will give it SwiftUI basics and make sure about this organization identifier, select your team and select interface SwiftUI, lifecycle SwiftUI app and language Swift and deselect these options. Hit next, save it where you want to save and just create. So here we can see our sample codes that have text hello world and having some padding. So first of all, just select your device from here. I want to select iPhone 12 Pro Max. Resume. So this area is known as our canvas area. If this is not visible, you can add it that select this and select canvas and this area will appear. So just to start, it will take some time. Just wait. So alright. Here is our simulator and these are the text that we write here and have some padding. So now we are going to modify this. So just write, remove this and add text of your own and just type your stuff. So okay, then you can see here that there is the border blue is connected. So for this we are going to give it padding. So the area is expanded. So now what if we give it the background color? So it's very simple, just to give it dot background and select color dot blue. Whatever color you want to select, I just selected blue. So here it converted into blue. So if what if we want to give text color? So just select dot foreground color and select color whatever you want to give. I will give it to white. Yes, that's done. And now if you want to give it border like the rectangle, rounded rectangle border, so just give curve, just give radius, corner radius and specify it in double 9.0. So yes, that's enough. So you can see here that here is some border. So that's it for the tutorial. So that's it. And yes, I have one challenge for you guys. You have to submit it like you have to make an app that is the same like this and having some shadow. So just try to implement it, and if you have any queries then just comment it down and I will also put the sample code or in GitHub. I will give the link in description. So just solve it. So alright guys, that's it for today. So if you like video, then hit the like button. If you want to more videos like this, then hit the subscribe button and always also press the bell icon for the latest videos notification. So meet you guys in next lecture and next video. So until then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe, and Vande Mataram.